Latest figures out from Totality show that the Australian residential property market is once again trending higher and doing so in a fairly robust manner in all the capital city markets and pretty much all the regional markets as well. So when you overlay that on, say, Westpac's Melbourne Institute latest numbers that have come out with people's expectations of what house prices are going to do over the next 12 months, they're currently at a highest level we've seen for 15 years. And that means people think prices are going to go up. Last time they were like this, in the 12-month period thereafter, prices went up 16%. But I think what's really important to bear in mind here is that we've got to look at also what's happening in relation to what the Reserve Bank's going to do. Their next board meeting is on Melbourne Cup Day, 3 weeks away. So it's still pretty much a live meeting, like an each-way bet whether they're going to keep rates on hold or reduce the official interest rate on Melbourne Cup Day. Either way, I think it's not going to have a massive immediate impact on what house prices are going to do, because I think most people have already sort of a baked-in expectation that rates will come down further. The Reserve Bank themselves have come out, the last policy statement, and said that the current rate is still somewhat restrictive. And I think really most people who are in business will recognise that, and I think most people who have mortgages also think that the current rate is somewhat restrictive. So overall, I think if you're a property investor that's actually attuned to what's happening and you recognise that this is a long-term investment, then I think the outlook is really robust. I think it's very positive, and I still think it's very much an each-way bet for Melbourne Cup Day. But if you're a property investor, I think the outcome will be good for you either way. Look forward to seeing you at our next Q&A. I'm Andrew Unterweger.